Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where Little London Primary is on 12 points, Broughton Primary on 19 points as we head into the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer. They lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on our NCB Insurance Omni-Educator clock. Both teams look ready, so we begin our final challenge. In International Affairs team, visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's national flag is displayed. Broughton.
Venezuela.
Venezuela.
That's right. Sports. In which sport is there a position called silly mid? Little London.
Lawn tennis.
Silly mid-off. It's cricket. That's incorrect. Bible knowledge. Which prophet in the Bible spoke about a valley of dry bones? Little London.
Ezekiel.
That's correct. Science. Which organ breaks down excess... Little London.
Liver.
Excess protein into a substance called urea. Liver is correct. English language. Form an adjective from the word melody. Little London.
Melodious.
Or melodic. That's correct. Music. Ludwig van Beethoven was a famous composer of which nationality? German. General knowledge of which African country is Banjul, the capital city? It's Gambia. Television visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Matthew McConaughey. Mathematics, there are 5 equal angles on a straight line. What's the value of each angle? Little London.
36.
What came first? Bell came first? The bell came first. It's 36 degrees. Social studies, La Paz. Broughton.
Bolivia.
Bolivia.
Is a city which is 3,650 meters above sea level. In which country? Bolivia is correct. Television. Who is the adoptive mother of Bam Bam in the cartoon series The Flintstones? Betty Rubble. Sports or visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Broughton.
Lionel Messi.
Lionel Messi.
It's professional footballer Sergio Ramos. That's incorrect. Bible knowledge. Who was Lamech's father, who is said to have lived for 969 years? Little London.
Methuselah.
The most by any man recorded in the Bible. That's correct. Science. Where two or more muscles meet in the body? Little London.
Joints.
It's called a joint. Is this statement true or false? False. It's where bones meet. That's incorrect. English language. Spell synthetic. Little London.
Synthetic.
That's correct. Music. What name is given to the text of an opera or other long vocal work? Libretto. General knowledge. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Broughton.
Neil Armstrong.
That's right. Local affairs. Giving their first and last names. Who are the 2 husband and wife teams in the Jamaican Parliament? Little London.
Darrell Vaz and Anne-Marie Vaz.
Darrell Vaz and Anne-Marie Vaz.
That's incorrect / incomplete. It's also Andrew Holness and Juliet Holness. Mathematics. What's the sum of 7/8 and 3/5 as a mixed number in its lowest terms? That bell means no time for that answer. It would have been 19/40, but that bell signifies the end of the match. Broughton Primary on 23 points, Little London Primary on 14. That means hearty congratulations to you, Broughton, and excellent effort by you, Little London Primary. And you, stay with us. We'll be back after this.